In this video, I am going to be talking about the best strategy if you want to run paid ads. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and the likes, they don't really support CPA offers, so there is a possibility that they may shut down your account and all that. But if you want to run paid ads on a safer side, platforms like Propeller ads and Zero Pack and the likes, they are way cheaper to run ads, and they also have high quality traffic as well. So as we go over this video, if you don't have an account already, you just want to click on this sign up button right here, and once you do that, then you want to click on this I am an advertiser. As you can see here, it states and I want to promote my product or CPA offers. So this is the best platform to run CPA offers without having any problem. Basically, all you need to do is just fill out your detail. It's a straightforward registration. So once you sign up, this is what your page is going to look like. So if you don't see it like this, you just want to click on this create campaign up here and you will see this page. Basically, the first thing you want to keep at the back of your mind is Propeller ads allows only mainstream offers. And mainstream offers are basically sweepstake offers, app install, dating offers, okay, which means adult offers are strictly prohibited on Propeller ads, okay, and they've been around for almost 10 years, I think, and they have high quality traffic as well, because obviously their aim is to make sure that their advertisers make money running ads on their platform. And they have different type of ad formats that you can use. As you can see here, there is on click, which is also known as Propeller. We also have push notification and we have interstitial. So I am going to be going over mainly these two because these are the two most common ones that affiliate marketers use. For this Propeller ad format, for those who don't know what it is, I am going to show you an example of what it looks like. So if I come to a website like this and then I click any part of this website, so let's say I click on this graphics right here, as you can see, it redirects me to another tab. So after clicking on that, as you can see, it didn't take me to the actual page I want to go to. It brought me to a different page on another tab. So basically, this person right here is running a Propeller ads to this offer. This must be a CPA offer or something. So this person right here is an example of Propeller ads. So basically, you must have come across website like that once you click on any part of the page, instead of taking you to where you really want to go, it takes you to a different page. All right, the second type of advertising they offer is push notification. And basically what push notification means is users will give access or allow notification from their favorite website, and this is an example of what it looks like. So you can see here, you can see this is a notification here. So let me reload this page. So this page is reloaded. So I'm going to show you, as you can see right here on the right hand side, you can see these two. These are examples of push notifications. Okay, you will see a lot of them on desktop and you will see a lot of them when you are browsing your website on your phone. Whenever you see this format, this ad format, know that that is a push notification. The most popular of these two is on click. Okay, a lot of people, a lot of affiliate marketers use this on click, and the second one that they use is push notifications. So the best type of offers that I recommend for beginners to promote is sweepstake offers, dating offers, app installs. And the reason why I recommend this is these are the offers that are going to give you faster results, okay, as compared to trying to promote Bitcoin offers or trading offers, because those ones require more experience. You can't really get good results if you are a beginner. So just go for sweepstake offers. Basically, these giveaway offers, survey offers, those ones are easier to get results as a beginner. So now diving into this on click. The reason why this on click is one of the most common one that affiliate marketers use is because it's a very simple format. You don't need to worry about creating a banner or making creative or trying to make images. All you basically need to do is just set up a landing page and that is it. So just like I showed you here, if I click on any part of this website, as you can see here, I don't need to create any creative. Once the visitor or the user comes to this website and they try to click anything on this website, they will be brought to this page whether they like it or not. It's unlike other advertising formats where you need an image or a video to captivate the user or the visitor attention so that they click on the ad. So you can see it's very easy and it's very simple to run on-click offers. You don't need to worry about creatives and all that. Okay, and the second reason why on-click offer is very common is because there is this feature that is called CPA model. Because on Propeller ads there are a lot of targetings like geo, like operating system, like device and all that. So basically what's this CPA goal in this on-click offer does for you is that it has an algorithm that will automatically look for the best geo. Is also going to look for the best device. Is going to look for the best parameters basically that gives you the best result. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So that is basically the job of this CPA goal in this on-click advertising. So it's going to look for the best parameters that is going to give you the best results for your ad. You are going to be receiving traffic almost instantly once your ad gets approved. Like I'm talking about, in about 20 minutes you start getting results on your ad. You also have to set a price for your CPA goal. So this CPA goal also, you have to set a price for it. So for example, if the CPA offer is going to pay you $1.50, then you want to make sure you set your CPA goal to at least $1.30, okay, or $1.50. All right, so something like that. You don't want to, you want to strike a balance. You don't want to go on, setting $2. All right, you are not going to get results that way. So basically you just want to set your CPA goal around your CPA offer payout. You want to give your campaign a name. So let's say example, and then you want to select this on click, and then you want to select this pop under, and then you want to select this CPA goal, and then this target URL. What it means is this is the URL where you will be directing your visitors to. Something like this type of landing page right here. So you want to create a landing page, obviously. All right, so once you create a landing page, you are going to put the link to that landing page, or you can experiment. You can try running traffic to the direct offer, but I recommend you have a tracker for this. Although Propeller ads have an inbuilt tracker that you can use, there are a lot of tracking software. Most of them are paid. You can use Beamup, you can use ClickMagic. There are a lot of trackers out there that you can use to track your offers. So maybe I'll go in depth in that in another video. Also, once you have the link to the landing page here, the next thing here, you can see it says traffic source. So there are virtually two options here. This one here is Propeller ads traffic, and the second one here is traffic from other sources. So basically you want to disable this anti-block, and then you want to go with this Propeller ads. So once you get a good result from this Propeller ads, then you can scale the ads to this broadcast traffic. So here you want to type in the country you want to run this offer to, and then you want to choose the CPA goal just like I mentioned earlier. So let's say maybe the CPA goal is $1. Okay, so you want to set it like that, and then you want to choose, you want to leave this like as it is, and then you want to type in your daily budget here. The minimum you can set is $30. So once you set that, the next thing you want to do now is choosing if you want to run this traffic to desktop or to mobile, and this is going to depend on what your offer wants. If your offer wants conversion from mobile, then you want to make sure you select mobile. If it wants conversion from desktop, then you want to select accordingly. All right, then you want to choose the OS. So let me click on this mobile, and then you want to choose whatever OS that the offer wants. So you want to choose the OS because there are some offers that want traffic from Android, that want conversions from Android, and there are some that want conversion from iOS. Okay, so another thing you can do, you can also choose a device, but keep in mind, if you are selecting targeted options like this, then you may get fewer traffic. All right, so in the beginning I recommend you leave it as broad as possible. Then once you get your data after testing the offer, then you can make adjustments accordingly. So basically that's all you need to do, and then you click on this I declare and guarantee, and then you start your campaign. So once you do this, obviously your campaign will not start immediately. It will go through an approval process, usually less than 10 minutes. So if your ad is rejected, you will know around 10 minutes, and they will also let you know why they reject the ad. But once the ad gets approved, like I said, in 20 to 30 minutes time, you will start getting results. So the next thing we are going to be talking about is these push notifications. Okay, and I believe I showed you an example of what push notification looks like. Unlike on click or pop under traffic, for push notification you are going to need two creative and you are going to need two line of text. So that is the major difference between on click and push notification. For push notification, just like as you saw on this website here, as you can see here, there's images on this offer, on this ad right here. So you can see you are going to make an image of this size. So let me scroll down to this page, to the bottom of the page. As you can see here, you are going to upload an image of 192 by 192 dimension. You are also going to upload another one for desktop. So this one right here is for mobile, this one is for desktop. So you are going to upload for both mobile and desktop. As you can see right here, as you can see, it also has some text on it. It will have a title and a subtitle. The process is almost the same for this on click. So if you continue creating the ad and then you want to select CPA, you want to select this CPC, okay, and then you want to leave this the way it is. And also one important thing about CPC is it means cost per click. So for push notification, you are paying for any click on this ad. All right, so I'm just using this one as an example, of course. So you are paying for, so whenever anybody clicks on any of your ad, you are going to be charged for that click. So basically that is what CPC means. So for this section where it says to choose your CPC, the higher you bid for this CPC, the more quality traffic you are going to get, and which means the more results you will get. Let's say instead of this 0.013, you decide to go for 0.05, then definitely you are going to get low quality traffic and you will hardly get any conversion. It's best that you bid for a decent price so that you get conversions on your offers. Just like on click, you are going to add your target URL, okay, and you can select the frequency, okay, so you can select that here, but you can just leave it as it is like this. Okay, so for this one, I recommend you start with Propeller ads first, then you can scale to this broker traffic. And then for this user activity, basically what it means is, as you can see here, it has high, medium and low. So basically what high means is, it means you can target those who subscribe to push notification in less than 48 hours. So this medium means your ad will be shown to those that subscribed in a few days ago, and this low means for those who subscribed over a week ago. And for this high is for those that subscribe in less than 48 hours. And also another thing to keep in mind is, and also some people will be grouped in this high, which means they interact with ads. So there are a lot of people also in this high category that they interact with ads a lot. So Propeller ads is going to group them in this high section. And there are also those that don't interact with ads much, so they will group them in this medium section. And those that don't interact with ads at all, they will group them in this low section. I hope that makes sense. So like I said, yeah, you are going to choose your CPC, and also you choose the country you want to run your ads to. And also forget about running ads to countries like United States, UK, Canada. Those countries are very expensive if you want to get any result. So I recommend you run ads to tier 2 countries or tier 3 countries. That way you are more likely to get results as compared to running ads to first world countries. So once you choose the country, so the next thing you want to enable is very important. Smart optimization is very important. You do this. So once you set a price that you want per conversion, let's say you want $1 per conversion, what this smart optimization tool is going to do for you is, there's a parameter that is called zone in Propeller ads, which means these are places where your ads will be shown. So if some of these zones are taking a lot of money to get that conversion, then this smart optimization is automatically going to cut off those zones that are spending more of your money for you to acquire a conversion. I hope that makes sense. So once you're done with that, you set your budget, and then also you choose whether you are running to desktop or to mobile, just like the same thing for on click. And then you choose the interest. All right, if you are running sweepstakes, giveaway, as you can see here. All right, so you choose the category where your offer lies, and then you want to choose the gender you want, the age. So once you've done that, then this is where you add your title, just like the one here. As you can see here, you add your title and this short description, and then you upload the image, and then you submit it for approval. So once you submit it for approval, in a few minutes you will get a response if your ad is rejected or if it goes live. So, and also, like I mentioned, Propeller ad does not support adult traffic at all. So that is another reason why they may not approve your ad. And also, they don't allow the use of brand logos or brand name in your ad. So for instance, you don't want to include Amazon in your ad at all. So that will be all for this video, and if you find any useful information in this video, please leave a like on this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace and love.